Hello, welcome to um, Water Sign Philippines. So, reading to for Water Sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Take only what resonates, guys, ha. Hindi to magre-resonate sa lahat. Okay, so kung gusto mo, pwede kang magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot reader. Ayan, search mo na lang siya sa Facebook, dito TikTok, sa TikTok and sa um, YouTube dito, no? Um, Eto wait lang kasi sinusulat ko lang kasi yung aking nire-reading, no, para hindi ko malimutan. Kasi minsan nakaano, 'pag sobrang concentrated sa reading ay medyo nawawala ako. So sinusulat ko, ito ay for water sign. So mag-cleanse lang ako ng konti using this sage. Ayan, maliit lang kasi maliit lang naman yung aking place. Ang mahalaga magkaroon lang ng um, konting usok, no? Wala masyadong bintana dito. Wala talagang bintana at all dito sa aking pinagre-readingan. So, hindi ako pwedeng mag-smoke ng masyadong marami. Anyway, kung gusto mong mag-avail ng mga product na ginagawa namin, ayan, and definitely cleanse and bless yung mga product na yon by me. Punta ka na lang sa TikTok shop, okay? TikTok shop, Unicorn Princess Tarot. Ito yung mga example, ayan, mga ginagawa ko po yan. You can avail that dun sa aking TikTok shop. Start na natin. This is for water sign. Messages for water sign, please. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Also, check your natal chart, guys. I-check mo yung natal chart mo. What do we have here for the sign of water sign, please? May naririnig pala akong kumukulong tubig. So, I don't know kung nagpapakulo ka ba ng tubig while watching, or meron ka bang niluluto na something na kumukulo. Yan. This could be your reading for water sign, please. Water sign, for the sign of water sign, please. You do have your faith. Ayan. Followed by this is the Four of Cups, Palace of Swords, I feel like you're thinking about, or maybe may pinagfo-focusan kang person ngayon. I feel like attracted ka dito sa person na ito, pero as much as possible um nananatili kang parang maybe conservative, or kunwari wala kang pakialam, or maybe attracted ka sa person na ito, but you're being more religious or traditional. Ayan. Especially kung ikaw ay babae. But, maybe gender is hindi naman importante dito, no? LGBTQIA+ are welcome. Pero yung iba sa inyo, maybe you are very traditional, or maybe ikaw ay nasa iyo ang feminine energy. So, I'm also feeling the energy of something na medyo masakit sa mukha mo ngayon. So, I don't know, something part ng face. So, pwedeng ikaw ay ngayon ay may tagihawat sa mukha na parang medyo, alam mo yun, yung medyo hinog na or papatubong tagihawat. And dito siya sa parte ng medyo cheeks or jawline. So, dun ko nararamdaman. And if this, alam mo, okay lang kahit hindi mo nararamdaman yun. Ang importante yung reading. So, kung nakaka-relate ka lang doon, high chance lang na this reading is for you. Okay? And, ayun na, nakikita natin that ayaw mo kasing, I feel like ayaw mong gumawa ng movement, or sa ngayon, hindi mo alam kung ano yung movement na best na gawin. So, as much as possible, ayaw mo maging vulnerable, ayaw mo ipakita yung emotions mo towards this person. Pero may potential na parang gugustuhin or magugustuhan mo itong taong to, or yung iba sa inyo pwedeng gusto mo na itong taong to. Pero of course, hindi ka sigurado kung gusto ka rin ba niya or may chance ba sa inyo or what. So, as much as possible ngayon, wala lang. Wala kang kunwari emosyon, wala kang pagkagusto, etc. Palace of Swords is here, you're focusing on career, focusing on um, kung ano man ito, no, nasa paligid mo, your environment, etc. The Six of Coins is here, so I feel like someone wants to offer you something or pinag-iisipan pa lang na i-offer sa'yo. Okay, sorry about that. Naputol yung video. I don't know. Maybe nagka-problem yung phone, no, while recording. But anyway, I'm seeing a person na gustong mag-offer sa'yo. Maybe someone who is younger than you or meron siyang young energy or maybe yung itsura niya is someone na parang bata sa edad niya. Or, I don't know, maybe connected ka dito sa person na ito dahil sa child or um, maybe this is someone in the past wherein my childhood memories kayo or yun nga, may connection na may kinalaman sa child. But anyway, I can see na parang ito person to wants to offer you something or maybe wants to help you, ganun. If you need help, kung kailangan mo ng tulong, I'm here. Or gusto niyang mag-offer sa'yo but yung iba pwedeng naibigay na si offer pero parang hindi ka sure kung tatanggapin mo. Or yung iba naman pwedeng hindi pa naibibigay si offer but there's this person who wants to give you an offer. Okay? And let's talk about love for water sign. Messages pagdating sa love for water sign, please. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Messages for love. You do have here the Queen of Swords. Queen of Wands. Yan, Queen of Wands. Let's find out kung sino itong person na ito. This person is someone who is Nine of Cups, a very successful person. Some of you, this is a friend. This is a friend, okay? And, or, yung iba, this could be a boss kind of energy. Ganun yung energy niya eh. Boss, someone who is very successful. If this is a friend, maybe this is a friend na nabibigyan ka ng advice financially. So, I see this person na medyo matibay na yung connection ninyo or yeah, if this is a friend, so matibay na yung connection mo dito or relationship mo dito as a friend. Hindi na basta-basta mawawala, hindi na basta-basta mapipigtas, alam mo yon. Marami kayong pinagdaanan, pwedeng nagkaroon ng sagutan in the past, nagkaroon ng pag-aaway, etc. Nagkaroon ng, iyakan yung iba. But definitely, itong friendship mo with this person is something na hindi na makukuha pa ng iba. Like, kahit ano pang pagsubok ang dumating sa pagkakaibigan ninyo, wala kang magagawa, wala kang choice, kaibigan mo pa rin tong taon to. And this person, yeah, maybe there's distance between the two of you, so pwedeng may tower moment, so ending between the two of you. Pero might be isa sa inyo nagkakaroon ng mga realizations and I cannot tell kung sino yon. Kung ikaw yun or your person. By the way, I can see dinosaurs, so I don't know if you are working with dinosaurs right now or may malapit sa yung dinosaur, like maybe a toy or a figure like dinosaur, ganon. Or, I don't know, something to do with dinosaur. Tsaka kanina pa may naririnig na sumisigaw, so like sumisigaw na bata. So, I don't know kung may malapit ba sa yung bata, naglalaro, etc. So, anong gusto nitong friend na to? Let's talk about this friend. Alamin natin kung ano yung intention niya, gusto niya mangyari, etc. Anong gusto mangyari na tong friend na to? Like, napakita talaga yung energy. The Ten of Swords is here. Six of Cups, Palace of Cups, King of Cups, and the Seven of Swords. Okay. I feel like itong person ito medyo siya kind of selfish. Kasi parang gusto niya na mag-end yung situation mo or magkaroon ng problema. Like, pwedeng gusto niya malungkot ka. sa sitwasyon mo or hindi maging maganda yung sitwasyon mo, etc. And then, this person may be a part of, kung ito ay friend, yung iba, maybe a past person, pero gusto niya ng friendship between the two of you. So, parang ganon. By the way, nakakita ko na like 3 eyes. So, I don't know if your third eye is open and may nakakita ka ng mga hindi nakikita basta-basta ng iba. So, this could be a reading. So, itong person na to, gusto niya na mamoblema ka na hindi ka maging okay kung ano yung sitwasyon mo ngayon. This person with the Palace of Cups is missing you. Gusto niyang mag-create ng home or environment na nandun ka. Like, this person wants to build something with you. The King of Cups is here. So, nakakita tayo dito ng person who is, sabihin na natin may emotion sa'yo or importante ka para sa kanya, but this person hindi niya pinapakita yon, hindi niya sinasabi yon, sabi ko nga pwedeng hindi siya open emotionally. And kung ito ay friend naman, like walang love related, etc. So pwedeng hindi lang siya emotionally nagpapakita ng kahinaan niya or ng yung kumaga hindi niya ipaparamdam sa importante ka, pero importante ka. You know what I mean? And this person is currently facing a lot of troubles right now, 5 of coins. So, pwedeng may kinalaman sa money. Nagkakaroon siya ng problems. Pwedeng may kinalaman ito sa mga new beginnings niya. So, pwedeng new career or what. Your person could be trapped into something or might be may success siya na parang gusto niya makuha pero nagkakaroon ng delays kasi may mga nag-i-stop or something is like maybe the universe is not giving itong person na ito yung mga kaya niyang makuha or dapat niyang makuha sa ngayon. I feel like, I don't know, this person is having problems right now, 9 of Wands. So, may mga challenges sa kanya. Pwedeng sinasabi ng universe na itong person na ito needs to wait. Yan, kailangan niya muna maghintay. And I feel like pwedeng may kinalaman din yan sa'yo na bakit hindi kanya pwedeng makuha pa sa ngayon dahil maybe may blockage or kailangan niya muna maghintay. So, there's a lot of lessons para dito sa person na ito. Okay? But this person wants to have you. This person, gusto niya magkaroon ng growth between the two of you. Mahirap para sa kanya Mahirap para sa kanya. Like, kung wala ka, mahirap. Parang ganun. But, this person is more focused on money right now. Nagtatry siyang mag-ipon or gusto niyang ma-materialize lahat ng mga financial na minamanifest niya. Okay? So, what is your emotions patungkol dito sa person na ito for water sign, please? Emotions mo para dito sa person na ito. Okay, you have already moved on. 5 of coins is here. Naka-move on ka na. Kung ano man yung pinagdadaanan mo ngayon, hindi ka para humingi ng tulong sa kanya or hindi ka para lumapit sa kanya because matigas ka ring tao, maano ka rin. Mataas din ang ego mo, mataas din ang pride mo. So, kung lalapit ka sa kanya, I mean, siya yung pinakahuli sa lalapitan mo. I mean, last option will be this person. Especially kung financially yung usapan. Hindi ka para lumapit dito sa taong to. Ma-pride ka talaga. And the way I see this, pwedeng, if this is a past person, naka-move on ka na. If this is a friend, maybe, pagdating sa love, maybe, hindi mo siya kino-consider sa ngayon or you feel like hindi ka rin welcome sa kanya or yun nga kasi hindi naman siya nagpapakita ng emotion, so 'di ba alangan naman mag-expect ka. And what will happen in the future for you, water sign? For the water signs, please. High Priestess is here. That's a very beautiful card for you. especially with the Ten of Cups, Eight of Cups, Knight of Swords. Ito ay patungkol muna sa mga relationships sa buhay mo na later on may message regarding money. Pagdating sa mga relationships sa buhay mo, like pagdating sa spiritual, so I feel like tinutuloy mo lang yung purpose mo, kung ano yung mga trabaho mo, kung anong kailangan mong gawin ngayon, your purpose dito sa mundo. You're just continuing whatever you're doing right now. And in the future, yun pa rin, kinukontinue mo pa rin ito. With regards to family, I can see na may mga tao kang iwe-welcome or ituturing na pamilya, pwedeng ganon. And I can see some of you, there's a new member of the family. Yan. Or ikaw ito na magiging parte ng isang pamilya in the near future. Parte ng isang something like maybe community or mga ibang tao na ituturing ka nila talagang pamilya. They are welcoming you. They are like, hindi mo naman sila kamag-anak, but they will treat you as their kamag-anak. Ganun. The Eight of Cups is here. So, in the future, you will be reaching your dreams, definitely. Ikaw mismo yung gagawa ng paraan para maabot mo yung pangarap mo na yun. And with the Knight of Swords, I can see na magiging mabilis yung pagtahak mo or pagpunta mo dun sa pinapangarap mo. Because you have already ended a cycle here. So, meron kang mga bagay na in-end or nag-end sa'yo. By the way, sorry about the noise. Medyo maingay yung aking inuupuan. So, ayun, medyo may mga bagay kang ini-end or kinut off or nag-end, tapos na. Because with the Hermit, maybe mas pinili mo yung sarili mo. So, medyo mas magiging mabilis mong maabot yung pangarap mo because you have learned how to let go. Ayan. So, in the future, maabot mo yung pangarap mo. Yan, dahil nangyayari na nga yung ending ngayon or yung iba nangyari na. Pwedeng may mga disappointments, may mga problems, may mga, mga hindi magandang nangyayari sa iyo ngayon, problems regarding money, etc. Pero medyo promising yung near future for you. Ayan. The Two of Cups is here. So, if you want to have a relationship, possible ang relationship. But, katulad niya ng isang goals, di ba? Kung gusto mo or goal mo talaga magkaroon ng relasyon, kailangan mo rin maggawa ng movement. Because ikaw lang naman ang mag-i-stop sa sarili mo eh. Di ba? Ikaw lang naman ang nakikita. Walang nag-i-stop sa'yo in the near future na maabot yung mga gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo. Walang pumipigil sa'yo. No? Madali mo maabot yung pangarap mo kung gagawa ka ng paraan. Pero kung ikaw ito na mag-aalangan ka na isipin mo na ko, imposible na, mahirap na, etc. etc. Talagang hindi mo maabot. Diba? Pag inunahan ka ng takot. Okay? So, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I love you all, guys. And, yeah, please do like this video. Sobrang ma-appreciate ko yun. Pati yung comment niyo, sobrang love na love ko yung mga comment nyo, guys. Nagpapakita ng support sa akin yan. Thank you for watching. I love you all. And, bye-bye.